It's no secret that project management is all about getting things done. One of the biggest issues is that sometimes people do not finish their work and they block others from starting other tasks. It's a huge problem. We've created a feature just for that you've probably seen in some other tools, but not all of them, that will allow you to fix this problem and also identify who's blocking what and quickly get that taken care of. Let's check it out. Task dependencies is an awesome feature that we've added here recently, just more or less to make sure to help you understand where you're being blocked. So what we can do is, let's say we're looking at this task. This task is set up mission and business goals. Awesome, great thing. Well, there may be a few things that are going to stop us, and what we can do is set this up here. So if we know there's a few tasks that either are stopping us or blocking us from allowing to work on this, or if there are a few tasks that can't be started until this task is completed, then we want to use task dependencies. And we'll go right here, click on that ellipses, and then come right here into task dependencies. Now the yellow waiting on, these are tasks that you are waiting on to be completed before you can start this task. So you can add them here. You can add as many as you'd like. We never limit you, but you can come in here and you can add these right here. So I can come here and say, until we finish our company overview page, we can't really set up mission and business goals, so we need to get this taken care of first. So I'm going to set that up as a dependency here that we're waiting on. Now I can also, on the flip side, I can come here and I can set tasks that this is blocking. So maybe until we set up these mission and goals, I'm not going to be able to do Facebook ads because we don't even know what our goals are, right? So all these I could block, or I could just choose one for the time's sake of the video. Now I can also add a task that this cannot be worked on until this task that we're in right now, this setup mission and business goals, is completed. And I want you to see what that looks like. So now when I'm inside the task, right over here, I can see what this task is waiting on before I can start, and I can also see what is blocking. So when I click here, it's going to take me and show me right at that task. I can go into it if I want to kind of see where the status is. I can come here and say, hey, can we get this done? Or maybe I can set a due date and I can see it's already overdue. Just kind of add some urgency here and then make sure we get it taken care of. I want you to also see what this looks like in list view. So when I come right here, I can see we have a couple different dependencies. This one's waiting on something. This one's waiting on something. And I can click in and find out exactly what that is. So next time you want to make sure that you're setting up your workflow, I think using dependencies are huge. And one of the most important things you can do, and one of the best advice I can give you, is if you're a manager or anything like that, focus on the tasks that are blocking others, because you want to get things done, especially important tasks that are high urgency. When you see something like this one that's high urgency with the priority, make sure you get that task that is waiting on done so you can keep it moving, and then also get the task that's done that is blocking to go ahead and get started on that one as well. Other pro tips about this feature are that when you finish this, it'll be ready and you'll be notified. So if this task is waiting on, see how this task is waiting on share our content. As soon as share our content is completed and closed, then we'll get notified in our notifications and we'll be ready to go here. And as soon as we can finish the company overview page, then we can also start working on the image. So great feature here. Not too many complications. If you have any questions about it, feel free to let us know, or any suggestions. We're always very welcome to both. You can always email us at our 24/7 help team at help@clickup.com.